learn a new lesson. Okay. Lesson 3, occupations and work. Occupations and work. What do you mean by occupation? Occupation means job. Occupation means what? Yes, job. Okay. So, we know that here in your textbook a grammar portion is given. In this, that tells us Rajan was observing a man sweeping the road in the morning. Rajan was observing a man. The man was doing what? Yes, sweeping the road in the morning. He was wondering who pays him to do that work. Who pays him to do that work? That means who gave money to that man to doing that work. We take people for granted without realizing how important they are for us. He thought of collecting information about more such helpers. Let us learn more about them. So, in this chapter, we know from our surroundings, sometimes we observe from our surrounding, we can see that lots of people are live there. So, each one has their own work. Okay, and also some people pay that people to what doing that work. Okay, in this chapter we will discuss more about occupations and work. Occupations and work. Okay, we know that if we all live in a family, then we know whenever we call a family, because all the members join together with very happy and with very joyous, and also all are well inside the house, then we can say that is a family. Okay, then inside the family there are lots of members are there: father, mother, then children, grandparents, then etc. These are the members present in a family. And also, do you think where we get money for buying food materials, buying clothes, buying all accessories need for our studies, for your studies or etc. Yes, we know that. We all consider who is the head of the family. Yes, we know a father. Father is a head of the family. So we know every morning our father go to outside for what? To doing work. And also in that evening he gets earnings from his work. So they bring that money into their home and give and buy all the things that needed for his family. Okay, and also which are the different types of occupations or work done by all the head of the members or the all family members from our surroundings. We know that different types of occupations are around us. Yes, first one: doctor, driver, teacher, sweeper, gardener, policeman, then pilot, then carpenter, postman, electrician, then what? It's all type of different types of occupations are around us. Each occupations gets money. Okay, so in this chapter we discuss more about occupations and work. Then the elders of our family go out for what? Go out for work. They get paid for the work. They get paid for the work they do. Then that money is earned by them is required to buy buy food, clothes and other things of our need. The work, then from that observation, what we can say, what is occupation? What do you mean by occupation? Occupation means the work that people do to earn livelihood is called their occupation. What do you mean by occupation? Occupation means the work that people do to earn livelihood is called occupation. What do you mean by occupation? Occupation means the work that people do to earn livelihood is called occupation. Is called occupation. Then there are different types of occupations around us. Different types of occupation around us. Various occupations that are chosen by people to earn a living and meet the basic requirements of their family. Some such occupations are given in your textbook. Okay, so some occupations given, pictures of some job or occupations are given in your textbook, page number 148. All of you take out your textbook, then take the page 148, then lesson 3, occupations and work. Then you can see the different occupations around us. First one is a man. Consists of a stethoscope. Who is that? He is a doctor. He is a doctor. Where we go to consult a doctor? Yes, hospital. Where we go to consult a doctor? Yes, hospital. Where? Hospital. And also, then if we are ill, the doctor give us pill. Okay, that means medicines. The doctor give us medicine. If we are ill, the doctor give us medicines. Next one, driver. So we know that there is no driver occupation present in our society. What we do? Yes, we cannot go to anywhere, go to everywhere with the vehicles. So if we all the citizens or the human beings take help from the KSRTC. So the KSRTC is moved by the driver. So driven by the driver. So the driver help us to travel from one place to another. Okay. Next one, tailor. So we know that the man who stitches our dresses or clothes, he is a tailor. Next one, postman. Postman is also an occupation of a person. That means the postman give us letters from the letters sent to us by our relatives, friends, then our institutions, etc. are sent by who? Postman. Next one, carpenter. We know all the furniture items we buy buy for our house is made by who? Yes, carpenter. Who? Carpenter. Next one, policeman. Who guard our nation or who guard our villages or a city or even a municipality or everywhere? Yes, we know our places are guarded by who? Policeman. Next one, gardener. Who water the plants in a garden? Yes, gardener. Who? Gardener. Next one, who clean our school? Then who clean our schools, our public road, then toilets or any institutions? Yes, sweeper. Who clean our school? Sweeper. Okay, these are the different types of occupations around us. Which are the different types of occupations around us? First one, doctor. occupations. First one, doctor. Second one, tailor. Then driver. Doctor, tailor, driver. Fourth one, carpenter. Then fifth one, carpenter. Then postman. Sixth one, policeman. Then seventh one, gardener, sweeper. Then sweeper. These are the different types of occupations around us. Doctor, tailor, driver, carpenter, postman, policeman, gardener, then sweeper. Once again, doctor, tailor, driver, carpenter, postman, policeman, gardener, sweeper. So first one, doctor, who gives us when we are ill, who give us a pill? Yes, doctor. Who stitches our clothes? Tailor. Who drive our vehicle? Driver. Who make the furniture? Yes, carpenter. Who give us letters? Postman. Then who guard our places? Policeman. Who watering the plants inside the gardener. Who clean our school? Yes, sweeper. Yes, what? Sweeper. Okay. Next one, other occupation. That's not another occupation. Other type of occupations are also present around us. All of you listen. Which are they? First one, besides these, many other occupations are present, or the people followed by the people around us. First one, painting pictures. Some people paint pictures. Some people paint pictures. Who paint pictures? Painter. Who paint pictures? Who paint our school? Yes, painter. Paint pictures, not painter. Paint pictures. Yes, artist. We know that in kindergarten, in our KG and LKG classes, lower kindergarten and upper kindergarten, we know that there are in the walls of that classes we can see lots of pictures, beautiful pictures like that pictures attracted by the kids. So they are painted by who? Artists. Who paint pictures. The person who paint pictures, who is known as artist. Who is called it as artist. Who protect our country? Who protect our country? Protect. The person who protect our country. Who? Yes, soldier. Who? Soldier. Who? Soldier. Next one. Who assists doctors in taking care of patients? Who assists doctors in taking care of patients? Who assists doctor? Yes, nurses. Who assisted doctor? Who assists doctors in taking care of patients? Who assists doctors? Nurses. Who assist doctors? Nurses. Okay. Once again, who paint pictures? Artists. Who protect our country? Soldier. Who assist doctors in taking care of patients? Yes, nurses. Next one. Who work in the court to solve legal cases? Name the persons who work in the court to solve legal cases. Yes, lawyers and judges. Lawyers and judges. The lawyers and the judges work in the court to solve legal cases. Okay. Next we know who planning and building of a house. Who is done the planning and building of a house? Yes, architect. Who? Architect. The planning and the building of a house is done by who? Architect. Who? Architect. Architect. Who done by the planning and the building of houses? Architect. Who? Architect. Okay. Next, once again, occupation. There are different types of occupations around us. Doctor, tailor, driver, carpenter, postman, policeman, gardener, sweeper, then artist, soldier, nurses, then architects. Here, who paint pictures? Artists. Then, who protect our country? Soldier. Who assists doctors in taking care of patients? Nurses. Then, who has done the work? Who has done the planning and the building of houses? Architect. Who? Architect. Okay. Next step. The people who act in movies and plays are known as who? Actors. The people who act in movies and plays are known as actors. People who act in movies and plays are known as who? Actors. We know all the children like to see movies. So we all have a wish. That means not wish. We all the children like to like an actor who played in movies, great role in movies. So like Mohanlal, then Mammootty, then Kunchaku Boban, Jairam, etc. They are called who? Yes, actors, because they play or they act in movies and plays. So they are known as actors. And the ladies who act in movies and plays are known as actress. Actors and actress. Then we know that some books are written by some famous writers. The articles, books are written by whom? Authors. Written by whom? Authors. Yes, these are the different types of occupations around us. Then some people collect and produce news for newspapers, TV channels, radio stations, etc. They are called journalists. The people who collect news for newspaper, TV channels and radio stations, they are called journalists. And the articles and the books written by who? Authors. Then the people who act in movies and plays are called actors and actress. Then the planning and the building of a house is done by architects. Then lawyers and judges work in the court to solve legal cases. Okay. Lawyer in the court, manager, nurse, goldsmith. Goldsmith means The goldsmith make beautiful ornaments with gold, like a necklace, then ring, then earrings, then anklet, then bangles, etc. were made by or made by a goldsmith. Okay, architect, goldsmith, painter, nurse, manager, lawyer in court. Then goldsmith and silversmith make jewelry of gold and silver. Then we know that the metals mined from where? From the earth. Some people work as managers and subordinates in an office. Then shopkeepers, salesperson. These all are the different types of occupations around us. These are the different types of occupations around us. Okay, I think all of you understood these portions. Okay, all of you read your textbook more and more times. Okay, so once again, in this lesson we discuss about occupations and work. Occupations and work. Occupation means the work that people do to earn livelihood is called occupation. Then there are different types of occupation around us. Then first a doctor, carpenter, driver, then a doctor, carpenter, driver, postman, policeman, then tailor, gardener, sweeper, etc. Sweeper, artist, architect, soldiers, lawyers, judges, authors, actors and actress, then journalist, then goldsmith, manager, shopkeeper, then salesperson, then etc. These all are different types of occupations around us. Then who paint pictures? Artists. Then who protect our country? Soldiers. Who assist doctors in taking care of patients? Nurses. Then who work in the court to solve legal cases? Lawyers and judges. Then who planning and making the building of a house? That is done by architects. Then who act in movies and plays? Actors and actresses. Then articles and books are written by who? Authors. Next one, the people who collect news for newspapers, TV channels and radio stations are called journalists. Next one, the goldsmith and silversmiths are the two types of occupations. The goldsmith and the silversmith make ornaments with the gold and silver, that is mined from where? From the earth itself, and using that gold and silver they make different types of beautiful ornaments. Next we know that if an office contains a manager and his subordinates, that's also some types of occupations. And then we all go to shops for buying something, for buying lots of things. So from that shop consists of a shopkeeper and salespersons, etc. were there. So children, so once again, there are different types of occupations around us. There are different types of occupations around us. Yes, we know different types of occupations are around us. Next one, occupations in villages. Occupations in villages are there. Occupations in cities are there. Then different types of occupations are there. It is depend on the places that the people live. That means if the people live in villages, then some type of village based occupations are there, like farming, then cattle rearing, forest related occupations, fishing, pottery, mining, then handicrafts, then toys making, then food prepare, that means pickles making. That's also a type of occupations. Okay, that means small scale or cottage industries, like the industries are there in some villages. So in that villages consists of different types of persons or laborers that they do work to earn money for their families. For their families. Okay, children. So in occupations in village, we first one farming. First one farming. We know we cannot think without a farm, without farming, and like without farmers. So the farmers give us food. The farmers give us food. The farmers give a very big hard work to get a loads of crops from the earth, and that with the help of that crops we all live. So we should always give a respect to farmers. Okay, give a respect to whom? Farmers. Okay, so the farmers are very close to earth. They all know, all the farmers know about each and every minute changes takes place in the earth, or in the nature, because they are very close. They are closely related with with the nature. Okay, so I think all of you understood this lesson. So you should always occupation means work done to earn money. To earn money, we do work. That means occupation, job or work. Okay. Then, okay, students, let's wind up the class. I think all of you understood your portions. Okay, just wind up the class. If you have any doubt, ask me. Okay, children, thank you.